Runyanjira rwa Gwesi ni rwa eka 21,000 utiganu waruo na icigo iria ingi ari uria ruthondeketwo na uthaka wa haria ruri kuona rurire maine kuria muingi ungethie gukenerera mundu ari hamwe na family yake. Andu aikiro itiganite kuma guko bururi-ini na nja wa bururi makoretwo magikinya gicigo-ini giki mahinda kwa mahinda kuria ginya mari nyumba cia mwanya cia gukomwo iria ciaketwo na njira ya mwanya ati ni iratwarana na maria maturigiceirie. Rivoti iria ikiretwo mukonde ni murugamiriri wakuo Patrick Leleresi.
We establish 7 villages out of the Ilngwesi Conservancy where people are settling, and where we are now, wherever we get money from Ilngwesi, dividends or any support from individuals or donors, that's where we do community development projects.
Imwe cia nyamu iria ngirorera runyanjira-ini ruru ni hamwe na njogu, mbogo, wambui, micore, thwariga gatagati ka ingi.
They don't meet other clans across. It's them. They enjoy being being that group within the Ilngwesi. So that's one of our selling points. It's not like wherever other areas where you have 10 or 6 camp within the area, so the clans were neither going this way, other going this way.
Ni rumwe rwa nyanjira iria ikoretwo ikiramatwo ni muingi makihurwo njeki ni ruhonge rwa uthaitiri wa nyamu cia githaka KWS hamwe na ikundi cia kuramata maria maturigiceirie. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, Njĩtagwo Maina, Kĩhumo.